so cute. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys. I've been gone to Bali and Paris for my 40th birthday. I feel that every decade of your life you should celebrate the best way you can, and I was so fortunate to be able to spend it with my loved one. My husband took me to Bali and then Paris shopping. It was such an amazing time of my life, and I can't wait to share it with you. I'm gonna first share my Chanel unboxings, just because I have quite a few items that I picked up in Paris and it's quite overwhelming. So maybe some people just want to see Chanel and other brands, so I'm gonna do a separate videos on each brand, and then I'm gonna make my Paris haul videos where I could show each item. My beautiful Chanel pics when I was in Paris, and enjoy the unboxing with me. I'm so thrilled, I'm so excited. This is such an amazing purchase and I can't wait to share it with you. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Zona. I share videos about fashion, how to style, shopping for shoes, handbags, and I share my travel vlogs and eating out with my handbags. So I hope you subscribe, like my video, and share it to your friends. Now I'm gonna reveal and unbox 3 shoes from Chanel. And I think these shoes are one of those that you must have to start your collection for shoes from Chanel Boutique, and they're really classic. So let's start with the smallest one I got here. I think I know what this is. This has to be my flats. This one, I have it in black, all black. And on this particular model and color, I have bought this already twice. I've been using it a lot, and I still have my other one, but I thought it's also ready to go. I just use it a lot. Oh my god, almost every single day during the spring. And I thought I'd get one extra since this is going to be like a classic unboxing to start your Chanel collection with me here. And to reveal, this is one of the most beautiful, really classic. If you just want to have one Chanel shoes, I highly recommend this. It's so comfortable. I love it a lot, and I wear this a lot, and it's just so classic. Can't go wrong, and the price is not that expensive. So then it comes with these 2 dust bags, and to reveal, it comes with of course the card, and here she is. Wow. Oh gosh, I'm sure from my friends, I'm sure you've seen me wear this a lot, and this is like my everyday shoes. I really love them. I love flats, and so yeah, here it is, the ballerina flats with the most classic color combination, the beige and the black. It's just beautiful. It's an amazing creation for that Chanel brand. Highly recommended. Now let's get on to the next one. The next shoes I got. Oh my, so exciting. Let's get the medium size. I will show you. This is such an amazing purchase. As soon as I saw it, I was like, oh my god, I gotta have that. This could pair so well with my new bag, and I'm glad I was still able to get it, because I don't think there's so many left in my size. So, and to reveal, Let's open it. Take the dust bag. So Chanel shoes always comes with a dust bag, so one for each. And so let's see what it is. Oh my gosh. Ooh, wow. I'm so lucky to pick up this. Oh my god, look at this beautiful lambskin quilting. Wow. It just matches my new bag, newest bag in my collection. So this is such an adorable shoes. Beautiful. As you can see, I haven't unboxed it, so I waited for this moment to share it with you. So let's show you in a closer shot right here. Really cute wedge sandals with classic Chanel quilting and champagne gold hardware. Look at the details. Isn't she beautiful? She's so adorable. Oh my god. Lovely shoes, lovely pick. I'm glad I got this. This is from the 51 Montaigne, my other favorite Chanel boutique in Paris, and lovely. So this one is made in Italy, and we can't wait. Wow, so nice. Let's move on to the third shoes, and here she is. Really big box. As you can tell, I love shoes so much. I love handbags too, so it's always a battle between the two. I do have quite a lot of shoes, but I want more. A few at a time. So I try to be a bit disciplined here, but I did quite a lot because of my decade of birthday, 40th birthday. I feel should be celebrated well. I was so relaxed. A month of vacation is just I think over a month I was gone. It was just a wonderful time for me and my husband. He was so generous and loving, and I'm so lucky to have him and have all these goodies. So let me share it with you. Are you excited? Let's unbox it together. Wow, it's really neatly packed right here. Of course, it comes with 2 dust bags as well, and this little card. Wow, such an amazing purchase. Look at this. So beautiful. Look at this ankle boots. You know I love ankle boots. Wow, look at her with all the chain, champagne gold, and the little dangling CC here. And the color is just stunning. It has this, it's like my 24 karat Laura Mercier eyeshadow, and a lot of my Louis Vuitton bags that are in reverse mono. So it has the color green with some bronze and gold details, and wow, it has a touch of plating, like a gold plating. So gorgeous, stunning, really beautiful. Oh my god, I'm so excited to wear this. Beautiful. I'm so in love. So I recommend that you have at least 1 flats if you want to start your Chanel collection. Get ankle boots, which you could wear a lot because they're comfortable, and then get 1 wedge or little high heels if you want. And these are, I feel like, a very classic Chanel style. I think, you know, it's not trendy or anything. You could wear it for years and years until they worn out, and it's just so beautiful. So all these 3 picks are highly recommended. Maybe get 1 ankle boots, 1 flats, and a wedge or a little high heel. So yeah, you need 3 shoes if you want, but if you just really want 1 I recommend the ballet flats. So one Chanel shoes, that's the shoes for you. It comes with all black as well, and I have that too. I wanted to mention that Cecilia, I asked her for some flowers, camellia flowers from Chanel, and oh my god, she's just so sweet. She actually filled this up with fresh flowers. I just wanted one extra one, but then she's like, no, I was gonna ask for the one with my coffee, and she said, no, just wait, I will give you fresh ones. Isn't she so sweet and adorable? And so I came home with this cute little box full of flowers up to here. So I gave some away to my friends, and it is just so cute and so lovely of her to give me fresh Chanel flowers. That's what she calls it.
Beautiful.
I hope you enjoy my unboxing from my Paris Chanel haul. Thanks a lot for watching my unboxing, and I plan to do another unboxing and will be sharing that with you, my other items that I picked up from Paris. So make sure you watch them all together, and I'm gonna do a haul at the end. And oh my god, I'm just very thankful, and I thank you to all my subscribers. You are my friends now, you're part of my family, and I hope one day we could meet. All right, have a good day, have a good life wherever you are. Stay healthy, and make sure you watch my other videos. I love you.